You already know that for today's more distributed and complex communication networks, Keysight FieldFox is the world's most integrated and precise analyzer, the first to deliver benchtop accuracy up to 50 GHz in a portable package. Now, FieldFox is going further with real-time spectrum analysis, RTSA for short. Interference over wireless networks is on the rise, impacting network quality. It's creating bursty interference, which is well beyond the capabilities of a traditional spectrum analyzer. But with FieldFox RTSA, a technician or engineer responsible for, say, secure communications over a public safety or military network can now detect unauthorized eavesdropping or jamming. And frequency hopping won't trip up FieldFox, which can instantly detect a radar pulse narrower than 1 microsecond. Measure in real time to capture every signal. Measure small signals once masked by stronger signals. Measure without gaps with gapless capturing techniques. FieldFox RTSA reveals and separates all captured signals with more detail and insight. One integrated lightweight unit gets the job done, so forget about lugging one device for RTSA and another device for your key measurements like cable and antenna, spectrum, or vector network analysis. For defense and aerospace or commercial wireless environments, a handheld analyzer now delivers real-time spectrum analysis that can go up to 50 GHz. Carry with you the precision of big bench performance, including RTSA.